In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply credit in Xero. This process is really handy when you need to reduce the amount a customer owes on an invoice, maybe because of a discount, a returned item, or a billing correction. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own Xero account. First, from your Xero dashboard, look for the main navigation menu. At the top, you'll see a tab labeled Business or something similar, and under that, you'll find the option called Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps all of your customer-related activity, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Once you're on the sales page, you'll see several options across the top. Click on Invoices. This will open a list of all your sales invoices, including those that are awaiting payment, approved, or even overdue. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct status tab, such as Awaiting Payment, so you can easily find the invoice you want to adjust. Next, from the invoice list, select the specific invoice you want to apply a credit to. You can do this by clicking directly on the invoice number or the customer name. This will open the full invoice view, where you can see all the details, like line items, amounts, and due date. Confirm that this is indeed the invoice that needs a credit, because the credit you create will be linked to this transaction. In the top right corner of the invoice screen, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down list of extra actions you can perform on the invoice. From that drop-down menu, choose Create and Apply Credit. Xero will automatically generate a credit note that's connected to this invoice. You'll be taken to a screen where the credit information is pre-filled. Review the details, such as amounts and descriptions, and adjust them if necessary, so they correctly reflect why you're issuing the credit. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Save. This saves the credit note and applies it directly to the selected invoice, reducing the outstanding balance. After saving, you can return to the invoice to confirm that the credit has been applied and check the new amount due. And that's how you create and apply credit in Xero.